Hello dosto, welcome to Chalaki Read Between the Lines. Last episode spoke about the rate at which coronavirus, Omicron, etc. are spreading and how we have to be careful, otherwise lockdown in our country is almost inevitable. For people who live in Maharashtra, the logic being discussed for imposing lockdown is the cases have to cross 20,000 a day in Mumbai, or another metric is the requirement of medical oxygen required for COVID patients. Is currently at approximately 30 metric tons. But according to government sources, if the daily demand for medical oxygen touches 800 metric tons in Maharashtra, we should impose lockdown. In this episode, I am sorry to say that it is almost certain that at the rate the cases are multiplying, we will be in at least a partial lockdown soon. Why? It's also because of IHU, a new variant, which is also referred to as B.1.640, was found in the south of France and has 12 cases already. They are evaluating whether it originated in Cameroon, a country in Central Africa. It has about 46 mutations. What? 46? Yes, you heard it right. 46. While writing this episode, I heard there is a new variant originating in Nigeria, another African country, and is highly transmissible too. Array, but what is the difference between strain, variant and mutation, bhai? We use these terms interchangeably. Let's try. Strain. First, the easy bit. How to use the word strain when talking about the virus which causes COVID-19? The simple answer is never. There is no need to use strain to talk about the virus, as there is only one strain of SARS-CoV-2. Matlab, all variants and mutations are from the same strain, SARS-CoV-2. Mutation. The virus grows by multiplying or creating copies of itself in the human body. When there is a change in the RNA, genetic material of the virus, that means it has created a copy of itself which is different from the copies originally in the virus. It is called mutation. Variant. When there are multiple mutations being created, it becomes a variant. All the variants like alpha, beta, gamma, delta, omicron, etc. are all variants from the same strain of coronavirus, SARS-CoV-2. However, the research says that the new variants are not as dangerous as omicron, but a lot needs to be still discovered. But the spread is fast and wide, and the latest one, IHU, not spreading in India yet, and its mutations have gone berserk. In my building, a tower with 3 wings and over 200 flats, about 20 active cases are already there. I hear of all my friends and relatives in smaller buildings in other cities like Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Baroda, Hyderabad, etc. talking about almost every alternate household having coronavirus cases. IHU is the new kid on the block. Sounds like an acronym for I hate you. IHU का मतलब I hate you, I hate you. Not to sound filmy, actually I did already anyway. क्या आपने सुना है जब गीदड़ की मौत आती है तो वो शहर की तरफ भागता है? Loosely translated, the meaning of this idiom is trouble draws someone to itself. अब आप किस तरफ भाग रहे हो? बताइए. बाकी तो आप खुद चालाक हैं. नमस्कार.